Good morning, children. Let's recap a bit. How did the sultans control such a vast kingdom? Yes, look, control of a vast kingdom needs reliable governors and administrators. The early Delhi sultans trained special slaves called bandagan, we have discussed this earlier, who were purchased for military services. Then come to iktas, that land. Then iktedar, muktis, they were responsible for leading military campaign, maintaining law and order. Next, accountants were appointed to check the amount of revenue collected by muktis. These all were the points how Delhi sultans control such a vast kingdom. Now, next topic is the measures taken by Alauddin Khilji and Muhammad Tughlaq to deal with Mongol invasion. And this is very important topic and you should follow this and be attentive now. Okay, now let's see. Alauddin Khilji and Muhammad Tughlaq. Here we will see the differences. In Alauddin Khilji's reign, Delhi was attacked twice. He raised a standing army. Standing army means always armies, soldiers on duty. Now Muhammad Tughlaq, what he did? He raised a long-standing army and was confident about his army. Next, in Alauddin Khilji, he constructed a new garrison town named Siri, which we had discussed earlier. All these towns, Siri, Jahanpana, Daulatabad and Delhi Kunha, this Siri, a new garrison town. But Muhammad Tughlaq, what he did, soldiers garrisoned in the oldest of the cities, 4 cities called Delhi Kunha, after emptying its all the residents. जो भी वहाँ दिल्ली कुना में रेसिडेंट्स थे उनको वो वहाँ से हटा दिए, अंडरस्टैंड, सोल्जर्स को रखने के लिए उनको वो खाली कराया and sent them to new capital of Daulatabad in the south. Next, in Alauddin Khilji, now come to the how he fed his soldiers. Soldiers were fed using the produce collected as tax from land. Same thing, he also produced all this same from the same area and collected tax for feeding the army. But Muhammad Tughlaq, he had taken additional taxes to were levied to large number of soldiers and उससे क्या हुआ, ये ज़्यादा टैक्स लेने लगे तो उससे क्या हुआ, फूड की स्कैरसिटी शुरू हो गई. And when there is a shortage of food, this coincided with famine in the area. Then Alauddin, now next difference is regarding salary. Alauddin Khilji, in Alauddin Khilji's reign, he paid the soldiers in cash rather than ikta. अंडरस्टैंड, इकता में तो प्रोड्यूस करते थे, वट एवर द प्रोडक्शन यील्ड जो हुआ, प्रोडक्ट जो हुआ उसके आधा करते थे. सो हियर ही पेड द सोल्जर्स इन कैश रादर देन इकता. ही कंट्रोल द प्राइजेस ऑफ एसेंशियल गुड्स इन Delhi markets to prevent the merchants from inflating, दाम को ज़्यादा ना बढ़ाए, इसीलिए वो कंट्रोल किए थे प्राइजेस पर. एंड ड्यू टू डिपेंडेंस ऑफ द सोल्जर्स ऑन देम फॉर सप्लाईज. बट हियर मोहम्मद तुगलक, ही ऑल्सो पेड सोल्जर्स इन कैश. बट ये क्या किए थे, यू सी हियर, be attentive, that is why I have told you before, he used token currency made out of cheap metals. मतलब ये मिंटेड दैट कॉइन्स, जो भी करेंसी था वो चीप मेटल से बनाना शुरू किए. मीन्स गोल्ड एंड सिल्वर से नहीं, इंस्टेड ऑफ दैट ही यूज टू मिंटेड विथ चीप मेटल्स. These coins were not trusted by the people of the 14th century. Then it could be counterfeited and people saved their gold, silver and paid their taxes using this cheap metal करेंसीज. तो इससे क्या हुआ, मोहम्मद तुगलक को बहुत नुकसान हुए. ओके, नेक्स्ट, ही हैड अ सक्सेसफुल, Muhammad Khilji had a successful administration and gained praise from the chroniclers because of cheap prices and efficient supply of goods in the market. He withstood the Mongol invasions. But Muhammad Tughlaq, his administration method was a failure. Because why failure? एक तो इन्होंने चीप मेटल यूज़ किया इंस्टेड ऑफ गोल्ड सिल्वर. नेक्स्ट एक्स्ट्रा टैक्स लेने लगे. So these all are the failure of Muhammad Tughlaq. Then his campaign into Kashmir was a disaster, after which he decided not to invade Transoxiana and disbanded his large army. इतने जो बहुत बड़ी इसने आर्मी खड़ा किया था, they all disbanded his large army. Then next in Muhammad Khilji, that is the last point, his measures were defensive. मतलब इन्होंने अपने आप को किस तरह से चेक किया और इसको सब लोग सराहना किए, इसको सब लोग माने. His measures were defensive, but Muhammad Tughlaq's measures were offensive. इनको कोई नहीं माना. That is why इनकी failure भी हुई. Understand? So this much, this is the last topic, and now you once more read the whole book. Then tomorrow I will send you question answer. Okay? Thank you, children.